What's up guys, it's Victor here again. Tecno Pop 5 is the successor to the Pop 4 and it's an entry-level offering intended for the entry-level segment of the smartphone market. It comes with 1 gig of RAM, 16 gigs of internal storage space, 4000 mAh battery, Android 10 and a Unisoc 3G processor running at 1.3 GHz. Priced at $70 or 33,000 Nairas, Tecno Pop 5 is by no means trying to be what it's not. This will be a very snappy unboxing and review video. Please subscribe and ring the bell to be notified when I post a new video like this one. The Pop 5 came packed in a blue box very similar to what we got on the Pop 4. The box is loosely packed as you can hear everything when you shake. Opening the box, you have the phone itself covered with nylon and a sticker. Next is the 13-month warranty card with faded colors, then a micro USB cable, a 5-watt charger, and lastly a pair of earphones. Like I said earlier, this device is not intended to impress at all. It's not trying to be what it's not. For a device priced at $70 US, we should have no complaints. The phone of course looks and feels plasticky. There is a screen protector already pre-installed. The front is a 60Hz 6 inches TFT display with 720p by 1560p resolution, which amounts to 320 pixels per inch density. It's a slight improvement from the Pop 4 because it comes with a better display that is more vibrant, and it has a notch instead of the humongous bezels. The notch houses a 5-megapixel selfie camera, and there is no automatic brightness adjustment for the display. The back has a camera mount with a 5-megapixel shooter and LED flashlight. You also find a fingerprint sensor that is not so fast here. The loudspeaker is also on the back with a bump that lifts the phone up to allow sound to pass when placed flat on the table. To the right are the volume rockers and the power button. The left has nothing. The top has the 3.5mm headphone jack. The bottom has the microphone and micro USB port. To insert 2 nano SIMs and a memory card, you would open the back of the phone to access the slots. The battery here is a 4000 mAh battery and it's accompanied by a 5-watt charger out of the box. The cameras on the front and back, like I mentioned earlier, are both 5 megapixels, and these are pictures and videos taken on the front and back cameras. The Tecno Pop 5 has a Unisoc XC7731E processor which has 4 cores and runs at 1.3 GHz. It also has 1 gig of RAM and 16 gigs of ROM. The phone is expectedly not a runner. You'd wait for every press to process. This is a training ground for patience. Impatient people, please keep off. The phone is obviously not made for multitasking. Mobile network connectivity is limited to 3G network here. Consequently, internet speed is not the fastest. You still have Wi-Fi though, and you can only connect to 3.4 GHz bands. The software here is the Android 10 Go edition packed with the usual bloat or wanted apps, and I already got a software upgrade notification. The Tecno Pop 5 has only 2 sensors, the accelerometer and proximity sensor. It's very clear that this smartphone was made to cater to the needs of people who by all means need a smartphone but don't have the budget to afford the big ones. Honestly, no complaints here. The Tecno Pop 5 serves its purpose quite well, bringing 3G internet to people who can't afford 4G but want to be connected to the rest of the world by all means. So that's my quick unboxing and review of the Tecno Pop 5. If you are not, please subscribe and ring the bell to be notified when I post a new video like this one. Give this video a thumbs up or leave a comment in the comments box below. Thank you for seeing this one. I'll see you when I see you in the next one. Bye.